Hi lovely people, it's Kia here from Cara Bookkeeping Specialist, where we provide outsourced bookkeeping services to business owners and accountants. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. I know that I sure am. So today we're talking about the changes to fines, penalties and interest levied by the government on certain taxes, and in particular we're talking about VAT, value added tax, and income tax for self-assessment. So this pretty much affects every single business out there. So what they're saying is they're making this change to make the system fairer and more consistent. In real terms, what does that mean? It means it's more expensive. That's what it means. It means that the effect for you is it's going to cost you more, essentially. So they're saying that for late submissions of VAT returns and self-assessment tax returns, the penalty will be on a points-based system, right? And the financial penalty will only be issued once a relevant threshold is reached. What that relevant threshold is, we don't know. What the points-based system is, we don't know. For late payments, they're going to introduce new penalties that will again be proportionate to the amount of tax that is owed. Now, that's the amount of tax that they think you owe, which is not so different from what happens now. I mean, if you fail to pay on time, they will send you a letter saying, we assume that you owe this much, you have to pay this much, and here's the interest and here's the penalty for it. So I'm not too sure what the real effect of this change, this difference is going to be. But essentially, you need to know the dates, okay? So what they're saying is that if you're already a VAT taxpayer, the change will take place for you from the 1st of April 2022. So that's next year's April. If you are an income taxpayer with income coming from business or property, then the change will affect you from April 2023. And for everybody else who does self-assessment income tax declarations, it will affect you from April 2024. And this falls in line nicely with MTD for self-assessment. So Making Tax Digital is being rolled out across all of the taxes that the government charge, and you're obligated now to use like digital platforms and digital record keeping and submissions and things like that, just to make things more efficient and to get rid of the paper-based system, which they should have got rid of donkeys years ago anyway. But what I find really interesting is they have put aside an allowance, and they're building a whole new fraud detection team, and that's partly what this is aimed at, solving the issues of taxpayers' fraud and people not declaring enough or paying enough taxes. But you already have a department that does that. So what are they doing that you now have to have a whole new team of people to do this for you, because you already have people who do this, HMRC? So what's going on? And the second thing is that income tax, corporation tax is subjective and income tax isn't. So when they come to do investigations as to what kind of corporation tax you're paying and if you've declared enough, that's, in a way, it's understandable, because you can choose to capitalize and categorize things the way you want to do it as applicable to your business, but you can't really do that with income tax. So I'm a bit surprised as to why they've decided that this is the appropriate way to take, but I guess we won't really know for sure what it effectively looks like until we see it happening in real life. Now, I don't expect to ever see what this looks like in real life. Why? Because my clients, so far, 100% of them have not been fined or received a penalty of any sort for any type of late payment or mis-submission or anything like that, because KBS, we made a promise to our clients that we do not allow them to get fines or penalties or anything like that. And I intend for that trend to stick. So if you feel like these types of things might affect you in the future, you're looking to start a business, you've already started a business, maybe you want to go get VAT registered, you're not too sure about the requirements of MTD or anything like that, then please do get in touch with me. You can book a free consultation. It's absolutely free of charge and no pressure. And ask me any questions you like, and you can get involved, jump in, join the KBS family, and hopefully avoid those fines and penalties for yourself as well. So that's it for today. I expect us to see a lot more information on what this really means and what these points-based systems are going to look like and things like that. So as soon as I do find out, I'll let you guys know. Other than that, you have a lovely day. See you later. Bye.